In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chrome using a keyboard shortcut key in Windows 11. Whether you want to speed up your workflow or just prefer using keyboard shortcuts, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. We'll cover two straightforward methods to achieve this, making it a breeze for you to open Chrome instantly without having to reach for your mouse. Let's start with the first method, which involves using the taskbar shortcut. First things first, you need to pin Google Chrome to your taskbar. To do this, simply find the Chrome icon, either on your desktop or in the Start menu. Once you've located it, right-click on the Chrome icon and select the option that says Pin to Taskbar. This action ensures that Chrome will always be just a click away on your taskbar, ready for the shortcut trick. Next, take note of where exactly the Chrome icon appears on your taskbar. It's crucial to identify its position because you'll use that specific number to create the keyboard shortcut. The taskbar icons are numbered from left to right, starting with the number 1. For instance, if Chrome is the first icon from the left, it's number 1. Now comes the straightforward, yet super effective part. To open Chrome using your keyboard, simply press the Windows key along with the number that corresponds to Chrome's position on the taskbar. So if Chrome is your number 1 icon, you'd press Windows key +1 and voila, Chrome opens right up. Moving on to our second method, you can start Chrome using the Run command. Begin by pressing the Windows key +R on your keyboard to bring up the Run dialog box. The Run box is like a command central for quick tasks on your computer. Once it's open, go ahead and type the word Chrome into the text field. This command tells Windows that you're looking to run Google Chrome. After you've typed it in, all you have to do is press Enter on your keyboard or click the OK button in the dialog box. You'll find that Google Chrome opens almost instantly, and that's it. With these two methods, you can choose which works best for you or switch between them based on your preference. Both are quick, effortless ways to make Chrome opening a seamless part of your workflow. Remember, these shortcuts not only save you time, but can also make navigating your computer feel more streamlined and efficient. Don't forget to practice these steps a few times to really get the hang of it, and you'll soon open Chrome like a pro with just a few keys. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing!